Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're just going to get ready with me. Right here, I am going in with the e.l.f. pomade, and this cost about $3 at Walmart. And here I am going in with the Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild. The sponge that I'm using here is actually from e.l.f. and I got this at Marshall's for $3, but I think it originally cost about $5. Here I am using the Studio Perfect Primer from NYX, and this originally cost $13. Here I'm going in with the matte palette from ColourPop. It had variations of blues and browns, so I really love this palette. For foundation, I am using the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1, and I believe I got this color in warm beige. And I just went ahead and concealed my face under my eyes, my nose, and around my chin area. And I just went back in with the Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is about $5 at Walmart. For eyeliner, I am using the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in Raven Black. And this cost $21 at Ulta. For bronzer, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer, and you can purchase this at Ulta for $28, but let me hook y'all up. At Marshall's, you can literally get this product for $7 to $12. I got mine for $7, but you gotta look deep into that clearance section. For mascara, I am using the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara. This is retailing for $25 at Ulta. To give me more of a lift, I came in with the Clinique mascara, and this was just given to me as a gift. For blush, I am just using the Amazonian clay brush from Tarte Cosmetics. Gotta make sure them brows stay in place. That's why Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow gel is the best, and this goes for about $24. I am setting my face with the Zuri Makeup Setting Mist from Shop Miss A, and this literally cost $1. Thank you so much for watching my video. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye!